Hey, I'm Ulysses Velasquez, and
Kind
this is my partner, Megan. Oh, yeah. And we're doing lesson 6, part 1, question 3, which is looking at multicellular life on Earth. How common is asexual versus sexual reproduction?
Yeah, so neither of us could actually find the exact answer to this question in terms of numbers in the book. And so I turned to the internet, and the closest I could find to this answer was actually from the article on asexual reproduction on Wikipedia. And it says that a complete lack of sexual reproduction is relatively rare among multicellular organisms, particularly animals, and it is not entirely understood why the ability to reproduce sexually is so common among them. So essentially, what we have to understand from that is that sexual reproduction is generally more common, but also I think it's important to recognize that there's not actually just this two-part dichotomy where it's only or only sexual reproduction or only asexual reproduction. A lot of organisms can do both and will switch between the two regularly depending on their circumstances.
Yeah, I completely agree. And I know in the reading we learned that for us it might be sound different because we can't reproduce asexually, but it also says that for many organisms it is an option, at least in a physiological sense. And so I completely agree. Um, Agree that we can see them as being something that both organisms can do in both senses. They can reproduce asexually or sexually, and we learned that does give them an edge.
That's about it.
All right.